I'm trying out the cinematic 4K on the GoPro 8. We got a little bit of sunshine, so I just wanted to show the garden, especially this. And yep, that and that. We planted a load of seeds and some bulbs along here, and so far this is the best we've got is this, which is nice, but it should be oh, and another one here. Oh, but yeah, mostly not so much. We've got cherries. Look at these cherries, and we got lots of blackberries coming. And a lot of people have been talking about raspberries on Facebook, and I'm thinking maybe next year we might try getting some raspberries along here.